In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Coinbase app on Android. If you're new to cryptocurrency or you just want a secure place to buy, sell, and store coins, the official Coinbase app is a great place to start. We'll keep it simple and safe by using the Google Play Store, the official way to get the app on Android. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. At the top, tap the search bar and type Coinbase. In the results, look for the listing named Coinbase by BTC ETH SOL, published by Coinbase Inc. This is the legitimate app. Double-check the developer name and note the download count, which tops 50 million. Avoid third-party websites or APK downloads, as they can be modified or unsafe. The Play Store listing from Coinbase Inc. is the trusted source. Once you've found it, tap Install. Your device will download and install. On fast Wi-Fi, it takes seconds. On slower connections, a bit longer. When it's done, the button changes to Open. If you see Update or Open instead of Install, the app is already on your device. Tap Open to launch it. You'll also see a new Coinbase icon in your app drawer. If you prefer to skip searching, you can use the direct link that opens Coinbase on Google Play. Tapping that link takes you straight to the same official listing, where you can press Install and then Open when it's ready. A few quick tips. Make sure your Android version is up to date. Updates improve security and compatibility. Check that you have enough storage. If space is tight, remove unused apps or clear cached files before trying again. And remember, features and availability can vary by country, so what you see may differ based on location. That's it. By downloading Coinbase from the Google Play Store, you're getting the official app for buying, selling, and securely storing cryptocurrencies. Keep your device updated, stick to the Play Store, and you'll be off to a safe start exploring crypto on your Android.